Hi friends, welcome to my very first online recipe. You know, we've been talking about it for a while and I am actually here to do it for you. Today we're going to make one of our favorite, my family's favorite salads, especially in the fall. It's a Brussels sprout Parmesan salad. It's easy to use. I am using our Meyer Lemon Olive Oil, which has a brightness to it that kind of wakes up the Brussels sprouts. It's all raw, you don't have to cook anything. To make it even easier, I've gone over to Trader Joe's, my other favorite store, and they have bags of already shredded Brussels sprouts ready for you to just dump and go. So we're gonna put this together. It has Brussels sprouts, pomegranate, almonds, a little parsley, a little lemon juice with our Meyer Lemon Olive Oil, and this is how we put it together.